Welcome to Study Loop.
So what we're taking a look at here is the thermodynamic quantity, which is given as heat, and electricity consuming time, that is T. We have Q equals mc p dt, where we can calculate the average heat loss as Q equals Q over T. The electricity consumed, E, is Q dot T. So in the first part, we have a temperature tub drops from 40 to 29 degrees C. We've got a heat capacity. We're subbing in our values for Q. Q is solved for 56650.11 kilojoules. We're looking at our time in hours. So we convert time from 8 hours to T is equal to 28800 seconds. So then Q dot is equal to 1.967 because we divide like that in units of kilowatts. So in the second part, we're doing a very similar thing. We'll get a fresh sheet up. So we have time, that is 10800. We're getting it in seconds from 3 hours. So then Q is equal to 56650 divided by 10800. Q is equal to 5.245 kilowatts. So we're taking a step further here. So the total heat delivered, Q dot T, is Q dot 8 add Q dot 3, 7.212 kilowatts. So we add them together, where E is equal to 7.2. E is equal to 7.212 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 21.636 kilowatts per hour. So looking at the next part here now, we have the cost. Cost is equal to 21.64 kilowatts per hour multiplied by 10 cents per kilowatts per hour. We get $216.4. We have another cost where we have 25.571 kilowatts per hour multiplied by 10 cents per kilowatts per hour. Got a value of 255.71. So that we have the total cost, we add those together. Is equal to $471.57. So if the lid here is removed, there will be more heat because the lid is an insulator and it will not allow heat to pass through it. So this can be transferred into the surroundings and can be lost, which results in a higher cost. Therefore, the cost estimated in the part C that we looked at will increase if the lid is removed.